Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
a sponsored meal from my mother. We appreciate you, and we got chicken back at Ackee. This is what she liked in Jamaica, so she wanted it, so we brought it to her.
That's right.
There we go.
So Richie prepared this meal, and we have avocado, aka pear, or pear, aka avocado. And I do not have an outfit of the day for you today, family. I'll see you next week with one.
Yes, and we put a lot of pear today because, you know, we've been fighting over pear.
Yeah, we've been fighting over pear. I'm glad you said it because the family been noticing it.
All right, mommy. First bite is going to go to you. Do you want rice? How much piece of Ackee you want on it? Okay, I get too much chicken back in.
Mmm.
Nice? Don't do that.
No. The pear is really good.
Oh, you're starting them already? Okay. Don't fight up your thing, mommy, because I know you don't want too much food, but here. All right. Here you go. Take your first bite. Here you go. We're back. All right. I'll finish the rest for you.
So, chicken back and Ackee, you can eat it with either food, dumpling and banana, or rice. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, cut this time. Cut them in. No, I cut it my youth. So for me get to know. Sure. The pear sweet.
Very sweet. Ooh, this is good, honey.
It's good?
Yeah.
That's right. Mommy, your daughter say food good. Got your meal. It's good, right? First day said she feels nauseous from the other day. I want the first day better not be pregnant.
Yeah. You love jinx me. For a person who don't want any more kids, you love jinx me.
First day they better not be pregnant. Cause be a nauseous from the other day.
I've been nauseous the other day.
Tom. You don't give me enough. Okay. I mean enough. Give me some more.
Hey.
Who you running your eyes at?
You. I asked you if that was enough. You said, yeah man, I won't put food that.
Never know. This spoon ain't gonna work enough. I can't cut this in my youth. But this is sweet, alright?
It's good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sweet.
Anything for my baby.
Yeah. Sugar booger. So family, what y'all been up to? Let's get to it. You know? That good? Yes, yes. Our Jamaican family know what we're talking about. Yes, this is the back of the chicken. We did this before, right?
But we had it with food. It's our first time having it with rice.
Yeah.
And the chicken bok is great if you're making soup.
Yes. Yep. It's good.
But my favorite is curry chicken bok.
We did that already too, right? We did a lot.
Yeah.
Damn, that beer nice.
This is the best part. The best part of the chicken bok is sucking out all of the juice.
Okay, man. I'm gonna make them try some now. How they say it?
They said that you gave your mom some.
Yeah.
And you didn't give them none.
I'm gonna give them some too. But I don't know if they're gonna like it. It's not egg, okay? It's not eggs. So don't think, oh, you eat egg and rice. It's not egg, family. Here we go. Take these. Good. Don't take my hand. Really better? Are you drinking ginger ale?
Drinking ginger ale. Ooh, the rice is so buttery.
Whatever you don't want to eat. We got a vanilla cream soda, courtesy at the dollar store. I can't see it anyway. You never tried that one, right?
I did. Duh.
I love that. I love the MSR. This tastes good enough, you know?
It tastes very good. Very, very good. We got mash up.
I mash up the rice now, food. Got everything good.
Now lick your fingers, man. Shoot. Good request. Good request. Come on.
Good request. Seasoned rice.
Seasoned to perfection.
Seasoned good.
Let me say it again. Seasoned to perfection.
Yes. Which is right.
You seasoned it today?
Today, right after I bite.
Wow.
As soon as I came out the phone with you, I was seasoning it. When I put mine in the thing, I'm tell them, and I get myself caught.
Oh, yeah.
My chicken back low is that. Thumbs up. Let me see in the comment if you like chicken back. What? You like it?
The kids, them. And the kids say,
There's no meat.
There's no meat. I don't want that.
But this one be having meat on it.
I know.
The Bravo chicken might be hitting.
My mother said, this is the first chicken back she ever get to have so much meat.
Yep.
And it's not like, it's like, it's a perfect amount of meat. It's not too much meat, right? Like over meaty.
Not overpowering.
Oh my goodness, this is so good.
Tell me, there's gonna be a while on the bones. The bone got all juice. That's the purpose of it. Purpose. Because we like the bone.
Yeah.
And everything just soaking there.
You can't just chew the bone 1, 2, 3 times when you're done. You're mad?
I will try it up one.
I will try it up until the bone turn out white.
So I like it. All the seasoning. Yes.
My gosh.
Still love our chicken back. Yes, we do eat chicken back still.
That's right.
Don't forget where we come from, right?
That's right.
Got nothing?
I sure do.
This thing, all I put was in was Everglade, no?
Really? That's it? Oh my god.
Ackee.
My gosh. Your Everglades? Listen.
I don't need no grace today, family. It's already have pepper. And one scotch bonnet.
I have a good amount of pepper too.
Yeah.
But it's not like spicy.
Yeah.
It's like the back of your throat spicy, yeah.
You don't want to put too much.
When what am I saying? I forgot.
Was I done already? I mean, if you say the word, the reason why I try is that if 5 minutes in the video, I'm done. What? You say, when what?
I forgot. Did that ever happen to you? That's so annoying.
Got the food, please.
It's a nice one.
Ooh, nice. Nice, I want to eat it twice.
The bone.
Bone is for me.
Bone.
Bone for me. Damn it. This is... Mommy? Only if you could taste it for real. I promise you.
Looks can be deceiving
Yeah,
because
money.
you look on it. It tastes just like how it looks. Trust me.
My mother knows my chef. Trust me. When you
Some
taste it.
long time.
Long time. Wow. Nice, man.
You're almost done.
I know. I'm gonna help you. You're sick.
That's all you want to hear now is that I feel nauseous, so you should eat my food.
Yeah, my food. Me get up and get more, you know. Me get up and get the whole pot I bring in and me pot, you know. You know, I don't care. I keep it ghetto, son.
Ghetto.
I get up, I get the rest pot, I hit it right at the big pot.
But let me tell you something. When you're cooking, sometimes I don't have time for a plate.
Yeah.
Sometimes the food tastes even better right out of the pot.
Right out of the pot.
Just get the pot and go sit down.
Yep.
Put a thing underneath, a warm underneath it, hold the pot and eat the food.
Family, you know I don't play.
How many people have done that? I know my mother have done that for a fact.
Sweet, that's all.
Yeah. You're every bit. Yo, for real.
Yeah.
This chicken back, nice amount of meat.
And a 1 pack I'm using.
1 pack? Wow.
I still have 1 more pack there. 2 pack, bye.
2 pack? 2 pack. Not 2 pack. 2 packs.
We don't buy 2 pack. 1, damn.
May he rest in peace though. But it's a good thing you didn't use 2 because the kids them.
I want them.
It's a Yankee.
Yankee them.
They're Yankee when they want to be.
Yankee pitney.
But they don't want to eat that. They don't have time for no bone.
Yo, I really done my food already now. Don't do it. I'll get up, you know. Don't do it. I'll get up and come back, you know. I got worms.
So you're convinced now? The family convinced you?
Yes, I got the greedy couple worms.
I don't want any pear today, honey.
You want a pear?
No.
Sure. Yeah, see? Something is wrong with her.
I know. I just, you know what it is? No, I don't have the corona.
You got no corona.
I think it's the time of the month. Excuse me.
It better be the time of month, cause I know you better have nothing in that oven. It's time to enjoy life now. Our kids them is growing. I can't afford one right now. You want to enjoy it? I mean, first they want to tour.
The pear look good enough?
Pear nice and free.
Even though I just not today. Oh no.
You didn't even touch your food neither. All you eating is chicken back.
Wow. So y'all watch me? Chicken back nice, man.
Chicken back nice, man.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the meat.
I mean, I know.
You ask them how they doing?
Yeah.
So why they staring at me like that?
Can they say something? You look sick.
I don't look sick.
What are they saying?
I feel nauseous.
Hey, first they don't look right today. They said first they love chat off our mouth and now I've talked that much
Love
today.
chat for real. Not today.
Yep.
I'm sorry, family. Listen, I gotta keep it real, right?
Exactly, one of those days, you know?
One of those days.
Mm-hmm.
But it has nothing to do with the food. Trust me on that.
You know I get with my food.
Oh yeah.
We don't want that incident again. I don't play. There ain't nothing to do with the food. First, just
The chicken back is the best part.
sweet.
Yeah. I think I just don't want all that rice today.
You said it. Okay, I'll wait for it.
I did say it.
Okay, thank you. Good job. You did say it.
Let me tell you something.
I like when you feel nauseous. You feeling nauseous, girl?
I'm gonna make some lemon tea.
I make
Well,
lemon tea.
Richie gonna make me some lemon tea.
I never make lemon tea a day in my life, and the first time I make it for first day, she love it different.
Okay, you gotta translate because they don't know what you say.
I never made lemon tea before. First time I made her first day, she asked me what I put in it. I hook it up. I gave it a Richie special.
Best lemon tea. As I said, I ain't making it. Richie making it.
Yeah. The first time lemon tea makes her go to sleep. But this is good.
It's delicious.
My Jamaican family, y'all know if you like the chicken back, comment up.
I'll eat more chicken back.
Yeah.
I just want the rice.
Yeah. And how do you like a chicken back? Curry. If you ever tried it with the Ackee, if you ever tried it, let me know. For a lot of people don't really put chicken back in Ackee, you know.
Yeah.
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 But we do. No. This is a budget meal in Jamaica. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, do you have a video on how you make it?
Did I make a video? No. They ain't gonna want no video. They ain't gonna act no video.
It's been a while since we did a cooking video though.
Yeah.
We've been acting up.
If you want a cooking video, let us know what you want to see us cook. We're gonna go live cooking one day after everything is sorted out, okay?
Yes.
We're gonna do a live cooking for y'all, okay, family? We promise y'all that one. We're just doing something. First lady, first gonna throw that in the kitchen. So if you want to see that, say live cooking.
Definitely.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely do that. We're gonna take care of some stuff first.
That would be nice.
Right?
I wonder what we'll cook.
And comment down what you want us to cook, what Jamaican dishes you want us to cook. You don't even really have to be a Jamaican dish, cause give First Lady the blueprint, it's a wrap.
That's true. But you see, if you make something like oxtail or curry goat, that take out 3 hours, you know. A 3-4 hour live.
You know, you can't edit, live can't edit.
It's live.
No man, live can't edit, man. Somebody said live can't edit. I mean, I can't nobody name. You tell later when I come off a camera. Yeah man, live can't edit, man. I'm gonna tell you. But yeah.
Oh, you know, you do a video, like a premiere.
Yeah.
I feel you. I feel you. I feel you.
So if y'all want to see that, we do something for that. We do something like that for y'all. And then y'all could chat all y'all want, cause y'all want to see us live. We missed y'all though.
Ooh, listen. Don't miss out on the fun. If you want to sponsor a meal, our information is in the description box. Okay? Hook a sister up. Hook a brother up. We cook it. No, you pay for it. We cook it. We eat it.
We all eat. I wear a small shirt.
What's your?
It's a medium. I wear a medium shirt.
Medium? Oh, God. Yeah. I should have just... You know when you're showing off? That's a problem. The ginger ale makes me feel better.
If it make you feel better?
Yeah.
That's good. So you want a tea still?
I sure do. I don't never give up a chance to have Richie take care of me. You're mad?
I always take care of you.
Listen.
When I want to take care of her, First Lady, she don't take care of her. When I want to do stuff, she complain. But I still do it. You tell the people that you enjoy your birthday gifts?
Listen.
See, you don't want to tell them that?
Family, let me tell you something. What I should have done, I should have followed my mind, which is just eat pure chicken back and no rice.
Let me fucking scrape up this now.
Okay. What do you think this is? The broom?
Yeah, man. Sugar booger. You want a piece? Okay.
I don't know what you put on it over there. Hot sauce?
I didn't put on it.
Oh. Because I don't like hot sauce on my food.
I didn't put no hot sauce. Look at Grace over there.
Oh yeah, that's right. I don't like hot sauce on my food unless it's certain things. Like chicken wing, fried chicken.
You need a hot sauce today because this had a little pepper in it.
It had a little pepper in it. This was very good. Very, very well seasoned. Very good. No line.
No cap. Mommy, I need my food, man. You need my food. All right. Wow. I forgot the wow.
You do not.
Not that wow.
My nerves.
The wow. You know what time it is. You almost let me miss out. Come on now, family. Food so great. You got to participate. Okay, what we got for them? For y'all good peoples today? And for First Lady. All right.
I'm still chewing.
I know you don't walk away because I see the comment. People say they never walk away. I appreciate that for the wow. Every negative thought is a down payment on your failure. Every positive thought is an investment on your future.
Ooh.
They heard me, right?
Say it again.
Tell me to say it again, First Lady. Tell me to say it again.
Say it again.
All right, First Lady. Say it. And
Hey,
Pastor. Yo, put that offering plate. Our offering plate is in the description.
Yo, what?
Offering plate is in the description. What it's called? In the P.O. box.
In the P.O. box.
All right. Real talk now, family. You know, every negative thought is a down payment on your failure. Every positive thought is an investment on your future. I just swallowed something. I'm going to chew it.
Oh, you okay?
Let me know if you relate or if that was a good one. Yeah? We appreciate y'all. Thank you for coming to watching the show, chit-chatting, trying some of this Jamaican food. You know what I'm saying? Y'all never seen that before. Some of our family never seen that before, but you know, our Jamaicans seen that. We appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to The Greedy Couple. That's First Lady, aka Shanice, and this is Richie and Shanice. Okay? Appreciate that if you're new. Do your thing for a minute.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye. Kiss.
That shit was good for you.